Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy, the bearded biker with Moto Nation USA, and recently I was part of the Pan America experience, and I just want to share a few of my insights with you and the gear that I was using. I went out to the Mojave Desert, so this gear is actually Mojave Desert tested. That's right, hot Mojave in California. So we had this jacket right here. You can see it's about 25-30 pounds. The big old heavy jacket, CE protection level 2. It's got these here. It's got a back pad in there, and you can see that I put it on and taken it off a couple times. Might still even have some dust. You're gonna see why it has dust on it in a moment, as I put this jacket to the test out in the Mojave Desert. And to give it a thorough review, I didn't fall off the bike accidentally. That makes sound better that way, doesn't it? No, I fell off the bike, so this gear was definitely tested. And we're going to be seeing that come up here in just a minute. My boots tested. Went out there, still got Mojave Desert dust on it. And I fell over on the bike 3 times out in the Mojave Desert, and one time my foot got twisted underneath it. Thankfully these boots are pretty stiff and they probably saved my ankle. Just want to say that. And of course we had on our accompanying pants to go with this. All this is still got Mojave Desert dust on it, along with these gloves. So I'm going to, I don't really like to say things like buy this, don't buy that. I want to give a product review, and I want a product to stand on its own 2 feet. I just want to be able to say, hey, should I buy this or not? Is it worth the money? Is it not worth the money? And I want you to be able to make that decision on your own. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of test footage about what this gear actually happened. And in addition, I can talk about, it was hot in the desert. On the bike thermometer read 121 degrees at one point in the heat of the day. I'm geared up, head to toe. I had a helmet on, DOT standard. I had a white helmet. I thought it would reflect the heat. Did a pretty good job. Had venting when I was moving. It kept me pretty cool. But this stuff, you know, I had to wonder, why is this stuff black? Why is it black? Doesn't black absorb heat? Don't all the Bedouins out there in the Saudi Arabian desert, don't they wear white because white reflects heat? Well, come to find out that this stuff is got some kind of reflective stuff in it, some kind of reflective technology. It's Harley Davidson branded, but it's designed and made by Revit, and they've used with 3M, and 3M does some technological stuff, and they put magic in the suit. So it's not going to be cool out in the desert. I don't know if anything you can wear out in the desert is going to make you cool, but it definitely didn't reflect the 121 degrees. And the people who had lighter gear, they did mention it, they did show it to us. They used these little thermometers that you zap, 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 and this was 1 degree warmer than their gear. My gear's black, their gear was light gray. 1 degree difference. So whatever reflective technology was in there, still in there, is working. And now for the impact test. And you're going to enjoy this. Please don't laugh too much. But I was okay, not injured, no serious injury to me or to the bike, despite the cussing, despite the So please enjoy. Jimmy the bearded biker, I hope to see you on the road. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, yeah. 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 So we can see the impacts. I'm good, I'm fine. For those of y'all that's still around, I just gotta say one more thing. Here's the jacket, you know, we all seen it, we can see it. I'll put it on like a model. It looks good. It looks good. It looks great on me. Thank you. Do you see this pocket back here? Do you see that pocket? What the hell is a pocket doing on the back of your jacket? Is it for a passenger? Well, what if you don't carry a passenger? Who wants somebody digging around at your butt? Maybe your passenger, maybe if it's your wife, you know, possibly they could put something down there in storage. Well, if they're wearing the same type of jacket, what goes in their pocket? Who's digging around on their butt? Well, a friend of mine said, you can put stuff back there. In the desert, I found a reason to put stuff back there. So, as I'm riding along, ta-da, we've got the magic water bottle. Out in the desert, you need to stay hydrated. That's where I kept my extra water bottles, in the pocket in the back. Whenever I stopped and got off the bike, I was able to get my extra water. Boom, there it was. So even though I made fun of the pocket, who puts the pocket in the back, it did come in useful in the desert. Again, thanks for sticking around. I hope you like and subscribe for more content. Jimmy, the Bearded Biker, Moto Nation USA. I hope to see you on the road. Yeah, I think so. Yep.